Imagine waking up in the United States and realizing one medical emergency could drain all your savings in hours. Even a small surgery, an ambulance ride, or a short hospital stay can cost thousands of dollars. This is the painful reality for millions of Americans every year. But imagine a world where your bills don't scare you and your family's health is fully protected. That's the power of health insurance. Health insurance isn't just a policy. It's your financial safety net. It gives you freedom from stress and the confidence to focus on recovery instead of worrying about bills. In 2026, as medical costs continue to rise, protection has never been more important. Having the right plan today means security and peace of mind for tomorrow. We insure cars, homes, and phones, but forget our health. Your body is your most valuable asset, so protect it. Starting a plan today means securing your future. Every step toward coverage is a step toward peace. Now you understand why health insurance is essential in 2026. You've seen the benefits, trusted providers, and new innovations. Compare plans carefully and choose what fits your family's needs. Being insured is the smartest and wisest decision you can make. Welcome to InsureWise USA, your trusted guide to understanding health insurance in America. We simplify complex terms, explore the best family coverage options, and share the latest industry updates. Our goal is to help everyone, from young professionals to families, make smart insurance choices. We'll show how companies like United Healthcare and Blue Cross are using AI to make health plans faster and smarter. In the USA, health insurance is more than just helpful, it's essential. Every year, medical expenses push millions into debt or even bankruptcy. A single operation or a visit can destroy a lifetime of savings. Insurance protects you from those shocks and gives you peace of mind. Stay with us till the end of this video because you'll not just understand insurance, you'll feel empowered to act. Your health is your wealth, and in today's world, protection is not optional. Insurance is your shield, your security, and your smartest investment. By the end, you'll see why being insured means being wise. Without health coverage, families risk everything for basic medical care. Insurance acts like a financial partner when you need it most. It allows you to get quality treatment without fear of bills. Most importantly, it gives stability in uncertain times. Health insurance works in a simple way. You pay a monthly premium. In return, your provider covers most medical expenses, from doctor visits to hospital stays. It also supports preventive care like screenings and checkups. In 2026, AI tools are making this system faster, smarter, and more transparent. These new systems reduce paperwork, detect fraud, and speed up claims. They also help users track benefits through mobile apps. This technology-driven change is transforming healthcare experiences. Health insurance is becoming both essential and intelligent. When choosing a provider, Americans have great options ahead. United Health Group, Elevance Health Inc., Centene Corp., Humana, Kaiser Foundation, Healthcare Services Corporation, Cigna Health, Molina Healthcare Inc. Guide well with wide networks and quality care. Molina Healthcare Inc. and Cigna offer strong coverage and wellness-focused plans. Humana, Aetna, and regional Blue Cross plans ensure flexible access nationwide. Oscar Health focuses on AI-powered digital insurance experiences. Molina Healthcare offers affordable plans for low-income families. Centennial bridges the gap between public and private insurance options. Together, these companies are making healthcare faster, smarter, and easier to access. Having health insurance means more than just paying medical bills. It protects your savings from sudden healthcare expenses. It gives you access to top doctors, hospitals, and preventive care. And it helps families live with peace, confidence, and stability. Many plans include free wellness programs, screenings, and telehealth options. You can even get support for mental health and lifestyle balance. Insurance creates a culture of health and prevention. It's not just about coverage, it's about care and confidence. In 2026, health insurance is entering a new era of innovation. AI-based predictive care can now detect risks before symptoms appear. Apps can alert you to health patterns from your smart devices. This futuristic care model is already becoming reality in the US. Hybrid insurance plans are also gaining popularity. They combine public and private benefits for more flexibility. People can now customize coverage by age, income, and lifestyle. The future of insurance is personalized, automated, and efficient. If you still don't have health insurance, now is the time to act. One emergency could erase everything you've worked for. Health insurance isn't an expense, it's your safety net. It's how you protect yourself and your loved ones from uncertainty. Health insurance isn't about paperwork, it's about peace of mind. Life is unpredictable, but protection gives you control. The best time to get insured isn't tomorrow, it's today. Every plan started today is a safer future for your family. Choose wisely, choose protection, and choose peace. Whether it's United Healthcare, Kaiser, or Blue Cross, act smart. Your health is your real wealth, and safety is your best investment. Stay healthy, stay covered, and stay wise with InsureWise USA. If you found today's video helpful, subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Like, comment, and share to support the channel. Stay safe, stay insured, and take good care of your health.